In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Google Calendar sharing issue. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where you are unable to share your Google Calendar with others, you're not alone, and this guide is here to help. Let's dive into the steps to ensure that your calendar is shared effectively with the right people. To begin, make sure that your calendar is indeed set to be shared. First, open Google Calendar. You'll notice all your calendars listed on the left side of the screen. Hover over the calendar you'd like to share and click on the three vertical dots to bring up additional options. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Sharing. This is where you'll adjust your sharing settings. Scroll down until you see Share with Specific People. Here, you can add the email addresses of people you want to share your calendar with. It's important to consider the level of access you're granting others so you have options. You can allow them to see only when you're free or busy, see all event details, or even make changes to events. Once you're satisfied with these settings, click Send to notify them. If after setting everything up, they still cannot see your calendar, you may need to make it public or share it within your organization. Go back to the Settings and Sharing menu and look for Access Permissions. Here you can choose to make the calendar available to the public or only share it within your organization. This step is particularly useful if you're working in a corporate or educational environment and need to ensure everyone has access. Now, if the person trying to access your calendar is seeing a "you don't have access" error, the issue might be due to mismatching email domains. If your calendar is linked to a Gmail account, the person viewing it also needs to have a Gmail account. For those using a work or school Google account, ensure that the viewer is within the same organization. Sometimes you may need to contact your admin to sort out these permissions. Finally, take a look at the specific events you've marked in your calendar. If certain events are marked as private, they won't be visible to others even if the calendar is shared. Open the event, click on the lock icon, which indicates it's private, and change it to either public or default visibility. Remember that private events will not display their details to others even if your calendar is shared. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any sharing issues with your Google Calendar. Whether you're troubleshooting on your own or collaborating with your team, having a properly shared calendar can significantly enhance your scheduling efficiency. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you.